Hello, everyone. Welcome back to StoryStep English.
Hi, guys. Welcome back. Wait a minute. Boss, why is your voice so low today?
Is it? I didn't notice.
Yes, you look like a sad puppy in the rain. Did you lose money?
No, Jenny, it is worse than that. I feel useless.
Useless? Why? You're a smart guy. You're a podcaster.
I know, but yesterday I failed a big test, a real-life test.
Tell me, what happened?
I was at the train station. It was rush hour.
Ugh, I hate rush hour. So many people.
Yes, everyone was walking fast. Rush, rush, rush. Then I saw him, a foreigner, a tourist.
Okay. Was he handsome?
I don't know. I didn't look at his face. I looked at his hands. He was holding a map, turning around in circles.
Ah, the classic lost tourist. Let me guess. He was sweating?
Yes, he looked panicked. He looked at the signs, then looked at his phone. He tried to ask a security guard, but the guard was busy.
Poor guy. So, this was your moment. Did you help him?
That is the problem, Jenny. I stood there. I was only 2 meters away. My heart screamed, "Boss, go, help him. Be a good host." I even took 1 step forward.
And then?
And then I stopped. My legs, they were frozen, like ice. I opened my mouth to say hello, but no sound came out.
Oh no, you got stage fright.
Yes, and while I was frozen, he walked away. I watched him leave, and I felt so disappointed in myself.
Oh, Bas, why did you freeze? You know English. You make a podcast every week.
I know, my brain knows the words. But in that moment, a monster appeared.
A monster? Was it a ghost?
No, it was the grammar police.
The grammar police? Who is he?
He lives in my head. He is a little angry man with a whistle. Beep, beep.
And what does he say?
He shouts at me, "Stop, Bas! Watch out for the tense." I wanted to say, "Can I help you?" But the grammar police said, "No, use may I help you. It is more polite." Then I thought, wait, is it present simple or present continuous? Go straight? Going straight? To the left? On the left?
Oh my God, that is too much thinking.
Exactly. My brain was like a broken computer. Error 404. I was scared to make a mistake. I was scared he would laugh at my broken English.
So, while you were fighting with the grammar police, what did the tourist do?
He looked at me. He smiled. He waited for me to speak. And I panicked.
Did you say anything?
I just smiled back awkwardly and I walked away, fast.
You ran away?
Yes, I felt like a coward. I went home and slept.
Oh, Buzz, you let the grammar police arrest you.
Yes, he put me in the silence jail.
Listen to me, boss. You made a big mistake.
I know, my grammar is bad. I need to study more tense.
No, your mistake was not grammar.
What do you mean?
Your mistake was silence.
Silence? But I didn't want to say the wrong thing.
Think about the tourist, boss. Do you think he wanted an English teacher?
No.
Did he want you to write a thesis for him?
No, he just wanted to go to the temple.
Exactly. He doesn't care about subject plus verb. He doesn't care about prepositions. He is lost. He is hot. He just wants direction.
But what if I speak like a baby? What if I say, "Go, go, temple, yes"?
That is perfect.
Really? Go, go, temple, yes? That is broken English.
But is it clear?
Yes, it means go to the temple.
Then it is good English. Communication is about understanding. It is not about rules.
So, keywords are enough?
Yes. Train, left, big building, finish.
Wow, I made it too complicated in my head.
You were trying to be a robot, but humans connect with heart, not grammar.
I see. Better to say bad English than no English. I understand now. Perfect is the enemy of good.
That is a powerful quote.
Next time, if I see a lost tourist at the train station, I will not freeze.
What will you do? Will you run away?
No, I will walk to him. I will smile. And I will speak.
Even if your grammar is bad?
Yes, even if I speak broken English. Even if I just say, you go left. Even if I have to use body language. Point left, point right.
Yes, use your hands, use your smile.
Because helping someone is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. Don't let the grammar police stop you from being kind.
Listeners, are you scared like me?
Don't be shy, just open your mouth.
Remember my new motto, broken English is better than no English.
Say it again.
Broken English is better than no English.
We believe in you guys.
Oh, and one more thing, guys. If you want to stop the grammar police, please help us.
Smash that like button and share this video to your shy friends.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever run away from a foreigner?
Be honest, we want to read your stories.
Don't be shy, just write. Keep stepping up. See you next time. Bye-bye.